Boost knowledge with the dog breed game. Let's play, learn, and have fun together. Name the dog breed. Clue: they are friendly, loving, loyal, and make great family pets. American Bulldog. What happens after it rains cats and dogs? You step in a poodle. Name the dog breed. Alaskan Clay Kai. Samoyed. Ida. Maltese. Bolognese dog. Chihuahua. They are the smallest sporting breed. Cocker Spaniel. Spot the odd one out. Alapecus. Akita. Great Pyrenees. Bloodhound. Catahoula leopard dog. Eskimo dog. What do you call baby dog? Puppy. Hairless terrier. German shepherd. Chow chow. Briard. American Water Spaniel. What do you call group of dogs? Pack. Black-mouth. Broholmer. McNabb. Boykin Spaniel. Tosa Kent. Toy Fox Terrier. Black and Tan Coonhound. Boston Terrier. Great Dane. Lhasa Apso. Blue Lacy. Pumi. Puggle. Cane Corso. Bergamasco. English Shepherd. Affenpinscher. Whippet. Join our community of curious minds and avid gamers. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to never